We are back on the road and headed to warmer weather. What do you think, Kenny?
I can't wait till we get there.
Mom?
Better for snow.
Hello. Well, we had a nice night's sleep. Our first night out, we stayed for free at a Huck's Travel Center in Kentucky, down by Land Between the Lakes. Now Kenny's filling her up with diesel fuel, and we're going to get back on the road. But yeah, this was a nice stop. It's Huck's Pilot Travel Center near Land Between the Lakes, Kentucky. Our first overnight camping in a while. Of course, we've been in the camper the whole time, the RV, but first one on the road. Our first road stop of 2026. Here's the thing about snow. You got this white pile right here, but then look over here from the road grind. You got a nice black pile over there. Yuck.
Amarillo by morning, Amarillo's on my mind. Amarillo by morning, up from San Antonio.
We are packing up and leaving this, our second stop of the week. We are at a Bass Pro Shop in their parking lot. They were awesome enough to let us stay, so thank you, Bass Pro Shops. We appreciate it. It was a wonderful night's sleep. We are just outside of Little Rock, Arkansas. It was a little downhill. The parking lot's going downhill. So it was a little bit of a struggle to be level yesterday, but it wasn't bad enough to worry about. Looks like we even had a truck come in last night. So the truckers are even using this. Well, that's amazing. Awesome. All right, we're loaded up and ready to roll. Further south we go, the less and less snow there is, and the more blue skies there are.
All right, we're in Texas. Just went through Texarkana. I didn't see no welcome to Texas sign, I don't think. Anyway, mower's all healed up and back in the driver's seat. All right.
We made it into Texas. We are at a rest stop just north of Dallas. And, you know, of course you got the truckers, but we just stopped for lunch and to have a little break. Get some lunch, get something to eat, and fill our bellies. The weather is beautiful. I'm in short sleeves. I don't even need a jacket. It feels great. I am in heaven. Good morning. We are on our last day of traveling to get to Texas. We're on our last leg. We still have about 5 or 6 hours to go today, and then we'll be where we want to be. We're headed to a little bit of southern part of Texas, which is the weather there is going to be in the 70s this week. Right now it's 59 degrees where we're at, or is it, hang on, I think it was 61. I'll take a look here real quick. 59 degrees right here where we are today. So, and it's like 7 o'clock in the morning and we're getting an early start. So hopefully we'll get this show started and get to nice temps. It's great. Today I'm in my shorts. I'm in shorts. And soon to be, you can't see them, but there they are. Soon to be flip-flops on these white legs. These white legs need some sun. Oh well. See you down the road. I'm ready for the warm weather. Back in my flip-flops. Okay, we are on our last stretch, last leg of this tour. We have about 6 hours of driving today, so we're getting the early start. It's, I don't know what time it is because we've went through one of those time warps, so I have no idea what time it is. All right, Kenny says it's 9 o'clock. It's not 9, it's 8. I told Kenny we never take that long to get ready, so, you know, we couldn't figure out why is it so late. Well, it's that time warp we went through. The truck doesn't automatically change, but our cell phones do, so we got to remember to do that. It's pain in the neck. Well, we made it to our spot here in southern Texas. So now we just wait for the call to duty. There's Mom, and we're getting everything set up on the inside. Got everything hooked up with the water on the outside. Kenny had to go in and put some shorts on. He said the jeans were too hot. He was sweating. So anyways, just wanted to let everybody know we made it safely. And the weather is beautiful. It's like 81 degrees here today. Wish you were here with me. Hey everybody, I just wanted to say that if you liked our videos, please give us a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's free, it doesn't cost you anything, but it helps our channel grow a lot and we really appreciate it. So thank you and have a great day.